How to see your subscriber counts in real time and also look at your subscriber history. So we will be using the YouTube Studio application to do so. So now to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open the YouTube Studio or the YT Studio. Now once you are inside the YouTube Studio, select your correct channel from your account center, and then from here you will need to go to Analytics. Now inside Analytics, you will need to swipe towards the right hand side and you will see the subscribers count right here. So simply click onto the subscribers count and it will show you different types of subscriber variables. So as you can see, currently it shows the chart or the graph for 28 days, and you can also see your current subscribers count right here. So it will show you on which day how many increase or decrease in subscribers your channel faced. You can also set different timelines, let's say for a complete year and also for a lifetime as well. So using this you can get an rough estimate or an idea about your subscribers growth. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.